Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss Maharashtra Set Examination, Paper 1, December 2020, Set A. First five questions are from Teaching Aptitude. Let's start with first question. Reflective teaching is a cyclical process thinking about learning, linear process of thinking about teaching, cyclical process of thinking about teaching, or linear process of thinking about learning. Cyclical process means circular in nature, means continuous process. And linear process means one line process, that is one time process. And what is reflective teaching? There are three levels of teaching: memory level, the lowest level, understanding level, and reflective level. This is the most appropriate and highest level of teaching, and it involves continuous improvement of teaching strategies. Hence, it is a cyclical process of evaluating and improving our own teaching. So, correct answer is option C. Second question. A teacher should identify dash and teach accordingly. Economic condition of the students, individual differences among students, economic condition of parents, or individual differences among parents. Correct answer is option B, because every student is unique and has different level of understanding capacity. Next, Swayamprabha is a group of how many channels devoted to telecasting of high quality education program? Correct answer is 32 DTH channel. It is provided by MHRD. Next, the traditional teaching support system includes whiteboard, smartboard, digital board, or three-dimensional model. Correct answer is D. A teacher goes through the student's notebook and gives remark. This is called notebook checking, daily remarks, evaluation, or assessment. Now, SET has given C point as correct answer because evaluation focuses on grading, while assessment focuses on identifying the strengths and weaknesses of the students, and it helps to improve learning. So correct answer is assessment. Checking notebook is an example of assessment. Teacher can identify the weakness of the students and give recommendation where the student needs to improve. Next question. Socrates has given dash method of discovering the truth: experimental, observation, criticism, or dialogue. Correct answer is D. It is a form of philosophical inquiry that involves dialogues, questioning, and discussion to stimulate critical thinking and uncover truth. Next question. Experimental research are aimed to establish association between variables. Association means relationship. Describe variables, study the application of theory, or study trend analysis. Correct answer is A. It helps to identify cause-effect relationship between two or more variables. So correct answer is option A. Next, limitations laid down by the researchers are called objectives, delimitations, assumptions, hypotheses. Correct answer is B. Delimitations. It helps to narrow scope of study. Next, for any frequency distribution, 50th percentile and dash are same. 50th percentile means middle value. Middle 50% is called as median. So correct answer is B. Next, a researcher uses data of an earlier research paper and publishes a new research paper. This is ethical, unethical, permissible, or proper. Correct answer is B. Unethical. Reusing data without permission or acknowledgement violates research ethics. So correct answer is B. So here, so question number 5 to 10 belongs to research aptitude. Next question 11 to 15 are from reading comprehensive. So let's start with question number 11. What does the author mean when he says that since the last decade, the higher education sector has been occupying a dominant position in the economic planning process? Correct answer is D. Comparatively more financial support is given to higher education sector during last decade. So Refer page 6, 10th line. Next, the policymaker in India are taking steps to increase expenditure towards higher education sector because correct answer is A. They aim at establishing India to match up to global standard. Refer page 6 for last line. Next, the attitude of the author towards teachers is ironical, doubtful, sympathetic, or disrespectful. Correct answer is option C. Refer 7th page, 10th line. It shows concern and empathy towards teachers. So option C is correct. Next, the author says that today a significant proportion of highly educated professionals is stuck in volatile academic ecosystem because correct answer is option B. There is a lack of formal law to govern the terms and conditions of contractual agreement of highly educated professionals. Refer page 7, 15th line. Next question. Statement 1. There is a growth in the number of universities. Statement 2. There is a growth in absolute increase in employment. According to the passage, which of the statements are true? For this, refer 7th page, 10th last line. The growing number of universities cannot alone fulfill the criteria of expansion with negative growth in absolute increase in employment. So statement 1 is correct, growing number of universities, but statement 2 is false because it, it is written that with negative growth in absolute increase in employment. Negative growth means declining growth. And question number 2 has given there is a growth in absolute increase. So negative word is missing. So statement 2 is wrong. Correct option is option A. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. While defining communication, Miller focuses on dash behavioral change of receiver, message, perception, or sender. Correct answer is behavioral change of receiver. A point. Next, serial functions of sender in communication cycle are as follows: collection, formulation, encoding, projection. Correct answer is A. Collection of information, then formulation of statement, then encoding, projection of message. So correct answer is A. Next, the components of communication cycle are sender, message, receiver, and correct answer is media. There should be some medium through which sender sends message to the receiver. So correct answer is B. Next, which of the following is one of the communication based on number of parties involved? Personal communication, formal communication, horizontal communication, or informal communication? Correct answer is horizontal communication. Horizontal means at the same level of communication. Next, characteristics of mass media communication are large number of audience, heterogeneous audience, scattered audience, and illiterate audience, noise disturbance, absence of direct feedback, or powerful media. Correct answer is C. Absence of direct feedback because the receiver, the audience, cannot directly give feedback to the speaker. Next, question number 21 to 25 is from mathematical reasoning. Consider the following set theoretical expressions x, y, and z where union, intersection, and superscript is set complement x equals to p intersection q intersection r, y equals to p intersection q union p intersection r union q intersection r superscript, z equals to q union p superscript intersection p union r intersection p union q intersection p intersection P superscript union R. Then which of the following is true? No two expressions represent same set. All three expressions represent same set. Only X and Z represents the same set, or only Y and Z represents the same set. So let's check. So X shows P intersection Q intersection R. Y shows P intersection Q union P intersection R. So it shows all elements either in P or Q, P or R, Q but not in R. Z represents all elements in Q but not P, either in P or R, P or Q. So correct answer is both represents same set. Consider the following ordered string of pebbles of three colors green, blue and red. X, Y, Z. Which two of them will give us identical necklace prepared by just making the first and last pebble of the string adjacent? X and Y, Y and Z, X and Z, or no two of them are identical. So let's check color green, green, blue, red, blue, red, red, blue, blue, red. Then green, blue, red, red, blue, red, blue, blue, red, blue, red, green. Next, red, blue, blue, red, green, green, blue, red, blue, red. So blue, red, red, blue, blue, red. If we reverse these letters, so it becomes red, blue, blue, red, green. So string X and Z form identical necklace when rotated. So correct answer is C. Next, the average weight of 25 children sitting in a boat is 22 kgs. The average weight of the 25 children and paddler is 24 kg. What is the weight of the paddler in kgs? 74 kg, 71, 75 or 100 kg. So first we need to identify total weight of all the children. So total number of children are given and average weight is given. So when we multiply 25 children into average weight of 22 kg, we get 550 kgs. It means 25 children are having 550 kgs in total. The average weight of 25 children and paddler is 24 kg. Means 25 student plus 1 paddler is having 24 kgs in total. So if we multiply, we get 26 into 24, 624 kg. What is the weight of the paddler in kg? So difference between 624 kg and 550 kg is 74 kg. Correct answer is A. The weight of the paddler is 74 kg. Next, Dayanand planted sugarcane in 1/3 of his farm, groundnut in 1/4 of his farm, jowar in remaining farm of 25 acres. How much the total farm in acres to Dayanand? 1 represents 100% minus over 1/3 of his farm he plants sugarcane. Then over 1/4 of his farm he plants groundnut. So in remaining area he plants jowar. So 1 minus 0.33 plus 0.25 equals to jowar. So 1 minus 0.58 equals to jowar. So jowar equals to 0.42. That is 42%. And if jowar in the remaining farm of 25 acres, it means if 42% is 25 acres, then what will be the 100%? Cross multiply. 100 multiplied by 25 divided by 42%. So we get 59.52 acre. Correct answer is B, 60 acre.